What a drop on the SPY there at the open. If it's your first time coming across the channel, welcome to all subscribers. Welcome back, guys. And in today's volatility, our SPY bot sent out a bear indicator at 9:40 a.m. And from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside. Pure weakness there on 42 vision, and put options went up 200% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve, check out the link down below in the description and top pinned comment to join the members using 42 Vision, maximizing whether stocks are going up or going down. So we saw the SPY here at the open drop from 639 all the way down to 633. Key support levels have been broken through historically on the chart. We're going to break it all down. But in today's volatility, our home run that was sent out over at the Discord was from Apple, guys. Apple sent out a bear indicator at 8:35 a.m. early on in the pre-market. You could see it there popping up. It has not been canceled all day, and it lasted from way up here at the 230 area all the way down towards 225 so far. And even in this bounce, that bear indicator is dominating, and puts went up 120% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve and know about these stocks early on and know about our A+ setup strategy that I break down in videos once you join, as well as learn our step-by-step guides on how to use 42 Vision in our inflow versus outflow and join the members using it to maximize within the volatility, check out the link down below in the description and top pinned comment. We look forward to having you join us and get connected. So we've done here a full transition to dip areas of wire Fred borders, and we're trying to come back up so far on the 30-minute from the dip area of wire Fred borders to dark green, and the last piece missing would be bright green bars like you see right here. A full transition on the 5-minute, and then on the 15-minute so far we've hit dark green as well. If this momentum continues and bull indicators justify the move and those inflows follow, that bright green bar is the last piece missing on the 15-minute so far and the 30-minute. If it's your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 Vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as extra layers of confirmation. Here we are with the SPY, the SP500 index, under a bull indicator here since the 634.70 area, and a bull indicator now on the 30-minute at 636, even after dropping down to 635 and bouncing back up. That continues to justify the move. Those confirmations so far here in the volatility. We did hit a dip area here at 633, critical support, trying to come back up to the resistance of 640, which was a previous support we did not want to ignore. This is one of the lowest levels that we've hit since way back here on August 11th and the 12th, before shooting up to new all-time highs. And now it seems like this is the setup for the possible next bull run, if these bull indicators and inflows continue to hold and justify this move, right? Because when we zoom out and look at it from the 1 hour, there has been a bear indicator here, which we broke down in our last video. We needed it to get canceled. As long as we could stay above 642, 640, it needed to get canceled. What happened? We broke through those supports. Now, when you went to the 2 hour, we had a bull indicator that was lasting here with strength since 625.60 area, and it had never gotten canceled till literally yesterday, guys. Yesterday, it popped up at 644, and now we're trying to go back up. And any move to the upside, even though the 30-minute, the 15-minute are showing those bull indicators, and we do break through 640, the most important thing here right now is the 1 hour and the 2 hour, because when you go all the way out to the 4 hour, it is also under a bear indicator for the first time since down here at 629. So any jump back up right now is not justifiable for as long as these bear indicators stay in play. And that is something to not overlook based off of what's going on in the charts and what we're seeing here so far. Because in the volatility, there are bull indicators, but larger time frames are under bear indicators. And this is something that we need to watch. And I'm going to be watching very carefully, especially aligning with the inflow versus outflow indicator and how they react within the volatility. So the moves so far here on the 30-minute and the 15-minute having bull indicators. To that, I have to say, if this move continues and we could break out and get inflows to follow to the upside, which you're connected to once you join. What a throwback. If you guys know what movie that's from, comment down below. So yes, we want to see things here strong. Let's see if we can retest those all-time highs and break out to even higher ones. But those larger time frames, I do not want to ignore them, like the 2-hour under a bear indicator, the 4-hour, and even the 1-hour, guys. These moves back up are not justifiable for as long as these do not get canceled. But I will be watching to the downside, 635, 633. And to the upside, it's going to be crucial to break towards 640 and then up towards 643 to 645, guys. Those are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve, check out the link down below in the description and get access to my step-by-step videos on how to use 42 Vision in the inflow versus outflow, as well as our A+ setup strategy to go ahead and maximize within the daily volatility of the charts and markets, guys. Because the bull and bear indicators really show us the strength of trend. Because right now in the volatility, we are seeing bull indicators. That's great. That's what's happening right now in the move. But the bigger picture, you could definitely see when those trends are set, how they have weight over the chart. Because this bear indicator has been up here since 645, and the market has not been able to get back above that because it never got canceled. And then also it rolled over into the 2-hour. And once it did pop up at 644, that's when these supports of 642 and 640 were broken through pretty quickly. And we're down here in the 630s area trying to get back up towards 640. But no bull indicator just yet on the 1-hour or 2-hour. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.